In this video, I will show you how to edit my interactive Which is Better game for your PowerPoint presentation. It's a game where you click on the picture you think is taller, better, bigger, anything. Once you've clicked on one of the pictures, a little animation plays and it shows if you picked the correct one. To get this template, go to the Dropbox folder in the description and download the template for free. When you open up the template, you will see two slides. One of the slides will have the left picture be the right answer and the other slide will have the right picture be the right answer. To change the pictures, you simply right click on the picture and click on Change Picture, and here you can insert your own picture. To edit the text, you want to click on the text and change it. The text will stay centered when typing out the new name. Now, to paste this interactive game into your own PowerPoint, you want to right click on the thumbnail of the slide and copy it. You then go to your own PowerPoint and press Ctrl V on your keyboard. And this will paste this template into your own PowerPoint presentation. And there you have it. I hope this video helped. Consider subscribing and I will see you next time.